Unit 7 Educational Media. First one is the definition. Audiovisual aids are those sensory objects or images which initiate or stimulate and the reference learning. Means what? Audio. Audio means the recording and the radio FM, right? And visual aids means what? Television, computer, laptops, and all to visualize how to visualize, right? Like some things use AVS, handouts, leaflets, right? AVS are any instructional device that can be seen but not heard, right? Means visualization you can see like television and all, right? And also to heard. Audio aids are any instructional device that can be heard, not seen, right? Means FM radio to like to listening, not to see. Next purpose is antidote to disease of the verbal instruction, right? Verbal instructions means the follow means teachers to like a lecture taking that time to instruction follow and all rules and regulation. And second one is a based motivation, right? Means base motivate to the like your lifestyle and all things, and clear images like disease condition related and all. Victorious experience means the how to teach and how to explaining. Variety of the simulation, opportunities to handle and they manipulate means the your aviators how to look like a butterflies using the butterflies your any triangle shape and all like a uh, if any imagine like your topic like a liver and the heart shape that time to understanding well for all students. And the next is the retention. So these all things aviators use so that time to capture attention. So whenever like different things to do, that time to all students to attention means there are different things like a heart shape aviators to show off the all the things in the your aviators. Realism means that this is like a heart shape aviators use that time to like a realistic, right? And believe the all in your ABS parts. Meeting individual differences means asking the questions and using the handouts that time to take more information occur in your handouts. And reinforcement to learners. Reinforcements to learner means that there are so many information in your ABS. So, so this is the most important to most important to part to learners. And positive transfer for a learning. So AVIATS is the most important to like a using positive vibes. And this classification of the AVIATS. AVIATS can be a broadly divided into two parts. First one is a projected and second one is a non-projected. So first one is a projected, like a film strip, optic projector, OSP, overhead projector. Film means the already you are showing like a movies, so all like a cars turning and all there are a projectors. Film strip like a film like sliding show, right? And projector means the PPT using that time to better understanding. This is a projector aids. And second one is a non-projected. So first one is the audio aids, radio, television, and recording. There are these audio aids means the radio only listening, not seeing. And second one is a graphic aids, means how to draw. Charts, cartoon diagram, flashcard, graphs, maps, photograph, picture, poster, models, to all to make own, right? Like charts to like board to highlight. And second one is a subheading to how to write, right? So these many thing is a graphic aids means in your charts, flashcard all to make. And third one is a display board. blackboard, bulletin boards, funnel boards, magical boards, pack boards, right? So this one is a display board. Display board means what? How to write in the word, right? Like a magic board is means the whiteboard that time to write like a magical pen, marker. And the last one is the activities, demonstration, experience, field trips. And common classification. First one is the auditory aids. Any instructional device that can be heard but not seen, right? So is a auditory. An example is a tape recorders, microphones, amplifiers, earphones, right? This is a auditory, only listening, not seeing. And second one is a visual aids. Any instruction device that can be a seen but not heard. It is a two types. Means like a projector, PPT, right? So that time to only see, not heard. Not require and projection example chalkboard, panel graph, exhibition and posters. So whenever to see like a chalkboard, panel graph, exhibition, poster, they can see, not listening, right? So that time to only visualization. And require and projection like a slide, film, strips, right? OHP. An auditory audiovisual is any instruction device that can be heard as well as seen. Example, sound films, closed circulation devices. I already told that. Traditional aids. Traditional practicing medias, example puppet show, folk songs and drama. So in and television to show off the so many things like a drama, cartoons and all. Miscellaneous. Miscellaneous means the drama, booklets, newspaper and magazines, like a social media apps in regular, like a politics, television news, and the sports news and all, like a social media, Bollywood news, dramatic conditions, like a serial and all. And second one is the aids through activity. Example like a school, like a journey, objects, specimen, and the model collection. So in the school, like so many activities, like a curriculum activities, like a sport activity, teaching, drama, right? And principles used in the each area. First one, principle of the selection. They should suit the age level of the grade level and other characteristic of the learners. Means how to learn. It should be interesting and motivating. How to learn this part of the interesting or not. This like any activity, curriculum activities, sport activities. So if any person like to play cricket well, so it's interesting and also to motivating, right? And second one is that they should be the true representative of the real things. So whenever any topic to interesting, so is well to presenting also. They should have in the realization of the desired learning objectives. So there are so many things have a representing. Second one is the principle of the preparation. As far as possible, locally available material should be used. So whenever to preparation like a charts, models, or puppets and leaflets, that time to locally is available easily and is not more costly. Like so, the teachers also to give a training for that for preparation areas and all, and the teachers themselves should prepare some of the areas. So is a good idea for the making areas and all handouts and all. Students may be associated in the preparation of the aids, right? So that time to making good charts and model to preparation APS. And third one is the principle of the handling. Arrangement of the keeping aids safely and also facilitate their landing to the teachers for use. Like whenever to use the thermocol sheet and like a paper based model, that time to take care of that, because it's a thermocol sheet is broken, right? So using carefully and arrangement keeping it to safely. Fourth one is the principle of the presentation. Teachers should carefully visualization the use of teaching aids before their actual presentation. Whenever you are presenting your topic or when presenting topic or presentation topic or like some activity, that time to give a best performance, like using models or charts, that time to carefully visualization to students or some group, right? So that time to give a font size is a big one, and like a more people to show off better, and like use ppt projectors and charts also. They should fully familiar themselves with the use of the manipulation of the aids. So there are more people to use like a one chart to not show off better. So like using a more AVRs use like a video and all. It advocate where should be taken in the handle and aid such a way not a damage is done it. The aids are should be displayed properly so that students are able to see, observe, and retrieve maximum benefit out of it. So students are visualization your aids so better than to like a show of the big one like a charts model, right? Fifth one, principle of the response. Teachers guide the students to response activity to AV stimulate, right? So uh, whenever to presentate your topic, that time to uh, guide your students, and the most important is the students' response, like a positive or negative ways, right? So most important to aviate use like a your topic related. And the last one is the principle of evaluation, continuous evaluation to necessary. So this whenever you presentation your topic, that time to all evaluation tool to show off all the things, because these are the most important part of your like a presentation. So evaluation is the most important to see to continuous to your topic dependent, like evaluation tool it first introduction, that time to give how to pronunciation, how to clear how to use like avs, right? These are activities to involve in your evaluation tool. And characteristics of the good teaching aids. They should be a meaningful and the purposeful. Means you are making a charts, and the charts to like a show of any definition or a purpose, that time to is a meaningful, right? And well understanding. They should be accurate in every aspect. They should be a simple, okay, not like a decorate and one simple words, and not to be a costly. They should be a simple. They should be a cheap. They should be a improved as far as possible. So whenever to present a definition on definition or purpose or all things, that time to improve your pronunciation and to clear words to her. They should be a large enough to be properly seen by your students and whom they are meant. They should be updates. They should be easily portable, and they should be according to mental level of the students. Means the BSc students mental stress levels means dependent on topic and dependent on students. Like a second year students uh, have a good teaching knowledge, but dependent on the BSc second year level to how to understand the time to choose the topic, right? They should be a motivated the learners and also to motivate the learners. Sources of ABS. First one is a government, second one is the educational organization, third one is a professional organization, fourth one is a non-government organization. Means AVAs are there are so there AVAs are many ways to use like a governmental topics, educational, professional, non-government, national, international, and commercial, right? So national and international volunteer organization like a evaluation tool ready for that in a format and commercial markets. Next one is the disadvantages of APS. Ineffectiveness of the aids, financially hurdles, lack of facilities for a training, and absence for electricity, improper selection of the aids. Means disadvantages, it is a not more effective, financially also problem, lack of facility for training, so it is a not improvement for the students and group, and absent of electricity means whenever to use like a PPT or videos, that time electricity is the most important. So whenever the absent of electricity, so that's problem occur. And improper selection of the AVAs means you are not using a proper selection for AVAs, that time there more problem occur for the students. Thank you.